Eurotiles Structural Repair Mortar 110 is a fiber-reinforced non-shrink mortar used for the repair of concrete structures and for the reinforcement of weakened structures with an application thickness of 2 to 35 millimeters. It has semi-smooth finish, excellent resistance to seawater and sulfated water with high mechanical strength. It also paintable after 24 hours depending on the atmospheric condition. It can be used for repair of concrete surfaces, spalling, honeycombing, stair nosing, ramp, etc. Concrete restructuring of pillars, slabs, posts, dam aprons, and spillways. It can also reinforce weakened structures like balconies and cornices. Use a point tool or a chisel in removing loose and damaged concrete and laths to obtain a clean and rough surface. Create space by inserting the product around and behind them by clearing out the concrete around corroded rebars. Clearly define the boundaries of the surface to be repaired. Remove all traces of oil and grease on the substrate. Remove all non-adherent rust by brushing, scraping, and sandblasting the corroded rebars. Get rid of dust on the surface to be repaired. Dampen the surface prior to application. Mix 1 25 kilogram bag of Eurotiles Structural Repair Mortar with 5 to 5.5 liters of clean water. Mix thoroughly using a mixing machine for a minimum of 3 minutes until it is evenly distributed. Workable time after mixing is approximately 45 minutes at 20 degrees centigrade. Do not add water during application. Using a stainless steel trowel, apply the first batch of Eurotiles Structural Repair Mortar. Press firmly onto the substrate to ensure bonding. Apply additional mortar layer by using a spatula or a steel trowel. Press firmly to obtain the desired overall thickness. Use a stainless steel trowel or rubber float in finishing the repaired surface. Eurotiles Structural Repair Mortar can be applied by using a machine spray for large surfaces.
So bakit 4.5 lang yung tubig natin? Para hindi siya gaanong malambot. So para siyang, pag hinalo mo siya, para siyang dito. So kaya ganyan yung texture niya kasi meron siyang fiber reinforcement. So bakit siya doon sa mga rebars? Yung lumabas yung bakal, pinalawang na kasi anti-rust din po siya. Kumbaga pag siya ang pinahid mo doon sa mga rebars na pinalawang na, hihinto yung pagkalawang ng ating rebars. So hindi maapektuhan yung ating structural. Sabi nga kanina, maabot siya ng 8,000 PSI within 3 days to 5 days. So pagdating naman ng 7 days, yung fully cured niya na, maabot na siya ng 11,000 PSI. So yan yung, ito yung product natin na pang mga columns, pang mga retaining wall, na halo yung pagkabuhos. Pag tinanggal natin yung forma, may mga honeycomb. Yung iba talagang litaw ng bakal. Tapos, lalo na yung project natin nasa tabing dagat. So ito yung mga mortar na applicable na ipag-prepare sa ating mga structural. So 25 kg siya. So depende na yung magiging coverage. Mahirap kasi magsabi tayo ng coverage. Depende na sa lalim ng pre-repair natin. Alam naman natin pag mga honeycomb, depende yung lalim yan. Meron talagang malalalim, merong mababaw lang. So yung thickness niya naman is hanggang 35 mm. So mas malalim, kaya-kaya niya pa. Na hindi natin kailangan ng additive o digyan ng tinatawag na bonding agent. So pwede siya pang makapalan. So yung pwede siya, pwede yung gawing rock, pwede rin yung semi-smooth. So pagkatapos yung rodilang kahoy o digyan ng rubber float, so pwede niyo siya pakilisin gamit yung rodilang bakal para pag pinapayan niya siya ng skin to, so tipid na yung paglalagay natin ng skin to.
For more information on our products, visit our website at www.eurotilesconstructionchemicals.com.